welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a very simple Christmas cake. It looks like candy cane. Let's get started.
I'm using up some leftovers today. This is banana cake and Swiss meringue buttercream. Although for a candy cane cake, I can recommend chocolate cake and peppermint buttercream. I frosted the cake. And cleaned up the cake board with a damp rag. Then I rolled out some white fondant, and covered the cake with it. I smoothed it down with my hands and trimmed off the excess with a sharp knife. Then I rolled some red fondant into a thick snake. Then I did the exact same thing with white fondant. Then I twisted the red and white fondant together and rolled it on the table so it became smooth. Then I did it again with a longer piece. If you like what you see, hit that like button, and while you're down there, hit subscribe for a new cake video every week. Then I stuck the long twist onto the bottom of the cake with edible glue. It just barely fit all the way around. The smaller piece I bent into a candy cane form and placed it on top of the cake. I think this cake is simple and sweet, perfect for a casual Christmas get-together. Merry Christmas! For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram.